Today we will learn about the preposition in. Preposition in is used to show an enclosed space or a general area that contains borders or boundaries. Let's try some examples to clarify this statement.
The keys are in the drawer. The keys are in the drawer.
The keys are in the drawer.
I left my wallet in the car. I left my wallet in the car.
I left my wallet in the car.
He works in a bank. He works in a bank.
He works in a bank.
She lives in New York. She lives in New York.
She lives in New York.
I'm staying in France this summer. I'm staying in France this summer.
I'm staying in France this summer.
The milk is in the fridge. The milk is in the fridge.
The milk is in the fridge.
The children are playing in the garden. The children are playing in the garden.
The children are playing in the garden.
Preposition in, also used for longer periods, such as months, years, centuries, and parts of the day. Let's try some examples to clarify this statement. He was born in July. He was born in July.
He was born in July.
We moved here in 2010. We moved here in 2010.
We moved here in 2010.
He was born in the 20th century. He was born in the 20th century.
He was born in the 20th century.
I usually take a nap in the afternoon. I usually take a nap in the afternoon.
I usually take a nap in the afternoon.
Preposition in is also used to indicate a state, condition, or situation. For example, she is in trouble. She is in trouble.
She is in trouble.
The house is in perfect condition. The house is in perfect condition.
The house is in perfect condition.
He is in a happy mood today. He is in a happy mood today.
He is in a happy mood today.
Preposition in, also used to describe being inside of a smaller vehicle, like cars or taxis. For example, I usually travel in a car. I usually travel in a car.
I usually travel in a car.
He arrived in a taxi. He arrived in a taxi.
He arrived in a taxi.
She is in the car, waiting for you. She is in the car, waiting for you.
She is in the car, waiting for you.
The preposition in, also used to refer to a subject or area of expertise. For example, he has a degree in engineering. He has a degree in engineering.
He has a degree in engineering.
She works in the healthcare industry. She works in the healthcare industry.
She works in the healthcare industry.
Preposition in, also used to describe what someone is wearing or covered in. For example, she came in a red dress. She came in a red dress.
She came in a red dress.
The floor is covered in dust. The floor is covered in dust.
The floor is covered in dust.
Thanks for watching.
Please subscribe to get more videos.